Right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol AMD, Advanced Micro Devices Inc. Before we jump into this chart, I want us to see the trend that's been going on here for the last couple of weeks and even months. So way down here in July, we were in the 40s range, close to $50. And from that point forward, there was a catalyst of a bullish run, reaching all the way up to $87 and some change. It dipped, hit lows of 75, and started to rise again back to 94. But from that point forward, which is one of the most important points for the bulls, $94 and some change, this stock has been falling in an up, down, hitting newer lows in direction downward trend, right? So we're just now closing off at $78, slightly above the 50-day moving average, but this stock is in a tug of war between the bulls and the bears. So I want us to see what is important for tomorrow. Actually, Monday. Well, tomorrow is Monday. Today's Sunday. Happy Sunday, everybody. I usually do these videos on Fridays and Saturdays, and I forget that the date's tomorrow. Anyways, back to the chart. Excuse me for that. This hit lows here. One of the lowest points that it hit in this bearish run is way down here at $73.16. Very important number. Keep that in mind, because if that gets crossed in the near future, within days or weeks from now, this will see newer lows. And that means that it's below the 50-day moving average if that gets crossed, most likely. Now, we are above the 50-day moving average. It was a great anticipation here created by the bulls for this upcoming week. Now the question is, could they maintain this control and this position after closing out at 78.05? Now our 50-day moving average is 76.15. Very important number. I'd write that down. As long as the bulls stay above it, they're in control and they're going to work their way up to newer highs and maintain themselves in bullish territory. The moment that gets crossed, the bears are starting to gain control. Now, if this gets controlled by the bears and they cross it, their next goal would be the support level. Now, this is literally, in my opinion, as an investor, I'd be paying attention, depending on if I'm a swing trader or a day trader, I would be paying attention closely to 76.15 as the support. Because once it gets into bearish territory, it could hit newer lows. Now, if you're in this for the long haul or the long run, then you're going to be paying attention to 74.66, which is the support level that can tell you that this got into bearish territory, and that's what the bears already accomplished, and they're on their way to breaking through the next support level of 74.66. So that is important as well. So if this gets broken through, the bears accomplished those two things. They already got into bearish territory, and now they're confirming to get deeper and further into bearish territory in a downward direction. So I'd pay very close attention to how this is reacting even before 74.66, like I stated, at 76.15. And if you wait till the support level gets touched, then 74.66, I want to emphasize how important it is to pay close attention to how this stock is reacting. And it's getting closer to the lows of $73 and some change. That's not that far. I mean, right now, it's a $5 difference from a closing price at 78, but getting crossed by 74.66, and this starts to work its way down fairly quickly to newer lows, you're only $1 away from the lowest point that this has reached in this bearish run. So very important to pay close attention to how that's reacting within that support. Now, on the other hand, the bulls. For the bulls to maintain control and continue their momentum, they have to break through resistance. And resistance is $78.20. That's going to allow the bulls to move further away from the 50-day moving average, as they already have, in an upward direction, and stop the 50-day moving average from catching up to the price, because this will be moving its way up over time, and the bulls can continue their momentum to break through newer highs and new resistance levels. They have to break through 78.20 turn that into a support, and continue to work their way up. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe, but don't forget to click on the bell. By clicking on the bell, you turn on all notifications to not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And at the end of this video, there's going to be a pop-up video. I highly suggest watching it. If you're a first-time viewer, welcome to my channel and check that out. If you're a subscriber or a viewer that comes by every once in a while and you came across this video again and you haven't seen my series, Is the Stock Market Crash Coming? I highly suggest you watch it. There's some vital information and techniques and strategies that I've been using while the market was going up and even as it's been going down, where I'm making on specific scheduled dates 30 cents to $3 per share. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but per share that adds up. And like I always say, profits are profits. Click on the video so you can receive all the information. I'm not there to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold. I'm just here to enlighten every investor and viewer on the great news that there's an opportunity to make profits. I'm here to tell you guys to maximize profits and minimize losses, and so that we can all learn and grow together. Click on the video as it pops up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.